How to restore a deleted photo on Facebook? In this video, I'll show you how to restore it from the trash, as long as it's still within Facebook's recovery period. First, open Facebook on your iPhone. Click three-line menu in the top right corner. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select Activity Log. Now, scroll through the options until you find Trash. Then click it. Here, you'll see the posts and photos you've recently deleted. Find the photo or post you want to recover. Click the three-dot menu next to it, then select Restore to Profile. When prompted, click Restore again to confirm. Facebook will restore the photo to your profile and it will appear with its original posting date. If you don't see your deleted photo in the trash, it may have been permanently deleted after Facebook's retention period and can no longer be recovered. That's it! You've successfully restored a deleted photo on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.